No. What do you... This is, Dan Mitch.
Dan Mitch?
Yeah. VANMITCHES.
Okay, and what's your address?
Yeah. Hello?
Your address?
It's 217 New Bringham Street? Yeah, New Bringham Street.
Birmingham?
Yeah, Bringham.
Can you spell it for me?
B-R... Wait. That was the wrong intersection. Sorry, sir. It's Green Street. 2112 Green. Green.
2112 Green Street.
Yeah.
Hold on for a minute.
Wait, what? Did you hear those noises? Hello?
That's the, other Jimmy John's. I can give you the number for it. It's 217-344-6200.
Wait, what?
217.
Wait, no. What do you mean, other Jimmy John's?
You're on Green Street, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is...
Wait. Spell
Jimmy
it.
John's on Prospect.
Can you spell it out for me, please? I think you might have the wrong green. There.
43 East Green Street.
No. 2112 GREENE Street.
GREENE.
Yeah. Hello?
I'm sorry, you said 2112 Green?
No. I said 212 Green Street.
Green?
Yeah.
Or B?
Green.
Green. G-R-E-E-N?
E.
G-R-E-E-N-E.
Yeah. What kind of street are you typing? Are you doing ST or STRE?